Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the clip's volume on Sharefactory using your PlayStation 5. So this is a video editor that you can use to upload to YouTube and stuff. Now, if your video clip is way too loud or something like that, you're screaming in the microphone, or maybe track 2 is too loud or something like that. So press L3. So let's back out to the main timeline. If you press L3, you should be able to see if you have like a track 2 or something like that. It doesn't show me having anything on here because I don't know. Let's add a track 2 real quick. So let's press X and then go to add track 2 and just record real quick. And I'll just show you guys track 2. So there's me adding a track 2 to my timeline. Press X and finish this up. Now when we add this to my timeline, when I back out, you can see if I press L3 now, I have a track 2 on here. And there it is. Or you can see music. So your main timeline is going to be different than your track 2. So this is why I want to add it, because your clip volume for track 2 could be louder or less loud than your track 1. So to edit the volume for your video clip, just go over the video clip and press square. And then you can go over to clip volume and decide where you want it. Now the big thing is, do you want to apply to all or just none? So let's go to, I don't know, maybe 105%. Then use the D-pad and go to the right and apply the stall and press X to confirm. Now everything should be 105%. So if I go to this one and look, this one's at 105%. Now if we press X or square over track 2, go to edit track 2. Edit track 2 again. Here's the clip volume for this. This one is still at 100%. So you're going to have to do this one separate from track 1. If you have multiple track 2, you can go to apply all and apply this to every track 2. And this one says prioritize, so this one should be prominent over track 1 unless you go to prioritize and turn that off. So it's very easy to edit the clip volume using Sharefactory. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos too. And also, this is going to apply to music. Music is going to have a different volume than track 1, track 2, and music. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.